There's an institution to protect your health, which is the pioneer of many innovations in Turkey. A modern health institution, making use of modern technology, offering the latest treatment alternatives. With its deep-rooted experience and experienced staff, and the quality certificates which are internationally recognized. Group Florence Nightingale. Named after the modern nursing pioneer, Florence Nightingale was founded as the first hospital of the Turkish Cardiology Foundation in 1989. Şişli Florence Nightingale, which started its operations with its 50-bed capacity, is performing over 2,000 open-heart surgeries today with its 300-bed capacity. Its total 12 operating rooms and 47 intensive care bed capacity makes it a reference hospital for the treatment of severe cases. The group's second hospital came into service in 1994 under the name of Avrupa Florence Nightingale with its 50-bed capacity. The group's third hospital, Gayrettepe Florence Nightingale, that came into service in 1997 with its 100-bed capacity, has focused on its in vitro fertilization, obstetrics and gynecology, and oncology, adapting continuous quality approach in all areas of operation. Group Florence Nightingale hospitals stand out with their expertise in various disciplines including orthopedics, oncology, transplantation, stroke, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, in vitro fertilization, and ophthalmology, with particular emphasis on diagnosis and treatment of cardiac diseases. Offering the latest innovations and developments in health services to their patients, Group Florence Nightingale is the first health institution in Turkey to perform heart surgeries without opening up the chest cavity, and to perform prostate surgeries in addition to many other abdominal surgeries by protecting the nerves without opening up the abdomen, thanks to the use of the Da Vinci robotic surgery system, which was started to be used back in 2004. 1,200 surgical operations are performed each year in the orthopedic, traumatology, and spine surgery center. And all spinal diseases, primarily scoliosis, are diagnosed and treated under the light of the most recent scientific developments. Having performed successful liver, kidney, and pancreas transplants, with its team of specialists who are recognized throughout the world and in Turkey with their successes, aims at continuing this success also in heart transplants. The Stroke Center providing emergency services around the clock in diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation of brain vessel diseases, which account for most disabilities and paralysis in the society, is capable of curing apoplectic patients who are brought to the center within 3 hours following the incident. Many hereditary diseases can be diagnosed before or after pregnancy, or during the embryo stage, thanks to the recent developments in genetic sciences. The Gayrettepe Florence Nightingale Immunology, Hemo-Oncology Genetic Diagnosis and Research Center provides services in diagnosis and treatment of genetic diseases, and in immunogenetics and cancer immunology, with its competent specialists and international contacts. The cord blood bank in Group Florence Nightingale preserves the stem cells in the cord blood of your baby in international standards, increasing your confidence in a healthy future for your child. The Advanced Oncology Center in Gayrettepe Florence Nightingale cooperates with the world-famous New York Memorial Sloan Kettering, Houston MD Anderson, Detroit Karamanos Cancer Institute in the fields of consultation, diagnosis, and treatment, with its team of specialists and modern equipment. The radiation is provided through the IMRT system, which provides special protection for organs under risk in our radiotherapy center. The computerized multi-section tomography machine, which is included in the diagnosis equipment of the hospital, helps viewing the cardiovascular vessels within 8 seconds. This machine also provides 3D imaging of the respiratory and the excretion systems. Risk of having a heart attack can be detected within a couple of minutes with the T-wave conversion device used in diagnosing cardiac diseases. Malignant tissues can be diagnosed in very early stages with the PET-CT device with 16 detectors available in Gayrettepe Florence Nightingale Hospital. prostate disease can be treated with the green light method using laser beams. The hospital hosts special diagnosis and treatment centers, such as the Sleep Disorder Center, Healthy Life Center, Cardiac Rehabilitation Center, Physical Therapy and Rehabilitation Center. Group Florence Nightingale hospitals perform all their activities in accordance with ISO 9001 quality norms. The hospitals are proud to hold the German TÜV and American Joint Commission International Accreditation certificates, which are globally recognized as major institutions in specifying the quality standards in the health sector. Group Florence Nightingale aims at further advancing its position among the major health institutions with the Kadıköy Florence Nightingale Hospital, which was inaugurated in the Kızıltoprak district on Bağdat Street in 2007, and Göktürk Florence Nightingale Medical Center. Kadıköy Florence Nightingale Hospital provides diagnosis and treatment services for inpatients and outpatients in all disciplines together with its emergency support. This hospital is regarded as a reference hospital in treatment of emergency cases thanks to its central location as the only hospital on Bağdat Street. This hospital provides fully equipped operation rooms for all kinds of surgical operations, including cardiovascular surgery, intensive care units, an advanced imaging center, and observation units. Effective treatments are applied for diseases affecting people of all ages, causing loss of function and loss of labor in the special physical therapy and rehabilitation center. The Göktürk Florence Nightingale Medical Center, which is the first medical center of Group Florence Nightingale, aims at the provision of high-quality services primarily in infantile diseases, internal diseases and physical therapy, together with other internal and surgical disciplines. Group Florence Nightingale contributes to human health with a modern understanding of medicine with 2,000 open-heart surgeries, 1,200 orthopedic surgeries, over 10,000 surgical operations, 1,000 new oncology patients, and 200,000 outpatients annually. Educating the strongest and most competent medical staff for our own hospitals and for our country, our group is just proud to be different also in the field of education. Istanbul Bilim University, which was established in 2006 as the first health university in Turkey by the Turkish Cardiology Foundation, aims at educating highly qualified medical doctors, nurses, and healthcare professionals for the health sector. The Avrupa Florence Nightingale Hospital, with a capacity of 104 beds, serving as the research and implementation center of Bilim University, aims at the provision of high-quality services in all disciplines it operates. Group Florence Nightingale, which has always been by your side with its firsts in Turkish medicine, its innovations and pioneering services, continues to grow rapidly and provides the best services to you in its journey from the past to the future with its invaluable medical doctors, medical staff, and self-confident patients. Group Florence Nightingale.